We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. You've got this topic, so please you can start.
Well, the topic is describe a person who impressed you the most when you were in primary school. Well, when I was in a primary school, I was an obstinate kind of kid, and along with that, I spent most of my time in playing most of my time spending in extracurricular activities, and was least bothered about my curriculum coverage. So my mother planned to send me to extra classes, and she arranged a tuition for me. The teacher was very reluctant in the beginning to take me as her student, but as my mother was very influential, she started tutoring me, and she assessed me that I am a bit tough child to tackle. So she started with the technique that learning is all about playing the games. She started with the subject of science, and she then took me to the garden and asked me to embed a seed. And it will grow after some time, and you will observe that how will it grow. So she make every topic fun for me, and I started learning and covered all the topics in such a entertaining way that studies no more remain like a boring responsibility for me. I was totally immersed in exploring the new topics of the science and mathematics that uh, made me enjoy the learning procedure of my primary school.
Okay, that's pretty fine. Listen, overall it's very good. Your accent and pronunciation, they are really fine. Fluency level is good. You only have grammatical mistakes, and these mistakes are in the use of tenses. Like your topic was describe a person who impressed you. That is past tense. So when you were talking about your mother, you said first you said plan to send. Now sent is second and third form. Plan to send.
Send,
Then
yeah.
you said she arrange and she make. It should have been she arranged and she made. So these type of grammatical mistakes, but overall it's quite good. So looking at that, I would give you a 6.5. Right? Thank you.
Sir.